I present to you the 12 can roller edition. 12 can soda roller. Do you ever put one of these 12 packs in your fridge and pop doesn't come out? Well, now I've got a solution for you. Simply 3D print this thing, which I designed, which fits on the back like so. That way it gives the box of soda a nice tilt, as you can see here. I can barely fit my finger under there. It's about 1 centimeter at the back. Slowly tapers for your convenience, and then you can open your Mountain Dew live wire like that, and as you take cans out, they roll forward nice and easy, just like that. How about that? You can get a nice view of the front here. There we go. Grab yourself a Dew.